back to our channel, and for today's video I am at the Patnem Beach and I will be giving you complete information about what's open and whether or not our tour is back. So I'll be showing you around a few shacks as well. So watch this video till the end, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on that notification bell icon, because I make videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information here from Goa, because I currently stay here. So if you haven't checked out my other videos, please do go check them out. I make videos on food, accommodation and travel. So let's go. It is around 11:30 in the morning and it is extremely sunny right now. So we're just headed towards the beach and I'll be giving you an update what it looks like and what's happening. So some of the shops are actually closed still. So it's like 50% of your shops are open and then some of them are closed. Like all of these shops here at the entrance is closed. So this is the main entrance of the beach, and you have a beachside shack which is right here and they're open. Wow, this place is so beautiful. And it is super duper sunny. So the beach tides are quite rough, as you can see. And Patnem Beach, right? If you walk right till the end, that side, you have a nice sit out, spot where it's by the rocks. You have a small little hill kind of a thing there, and it's quite nice. So this is the condition. As you can see, most of the things here as well is currently being constructed. I can only see one shack, beachside restaurant, that is open there. So there is no water sports or anything as such. So most of these beachside accommodations are getting ready. So this should probably be done by the next 2 weeks. So if at all you're looking at maybe making a trip to the south, then I would highly recommend that you plan something maybe after 2 weeks from now, which is almost towards the last week of October. So a quick update about your water sports. Well, the water sports at this point in time is not open in the south, but up north, in beaches such as Anjuna, Baga and Kalangut, there are water sports that are open. I made a video covering that as well, so go check that out. I'll link it in the description as well as it's up here. Okay, it is really hot and I'm just walking with an umbrella. This is the lifeguard here. Swimming allowed nahi hai?
Actually मैम स्विमिंग अलाउ नहीं है।
अच्छा,
किनारे पे बैठ सकते हैं।
ओके।
पर एक्चुअली एक काम करना मैम, वो साइड में मत जाना पानी में, क्योंकि वो साइड में रिप करंट है।
ओके।
यहाँ पर जहाँ पर लाइफगार्ड है ना, उसके सामने बैठ।
अच्छा, ओके। और वाटर स्पोर्ट्स?
नहीं, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स बंद है।
बंद है ना? ओके, फाइन, थैंक यू। So the water sports are shut, and the lifeguard says that you can actually swim right in front of him, but he's suggesting not to go the other side because the tides are really rough. So this beach is so gorgeous, except the waves now are quite rough. You have such clear blue skies, and the water is looking quite blue as well. And today is a Monday, so which is why, you know, the crowd is not that much compared to over the weekend. But if you're someone who likes to, you know, visit beaches that are less crowded and quite serene, then, you know, this is a beach that you can head to in the south. So as you can see, all of your, you know, beachside accommodations and also shacks are currently being made. So only very few restaurants on the beach are serving customers, but the others are still being made. Like this one here, the Namaste Cafe is closed to customers at this point in time. It should be open in another, you know, week or so. This is another really nice beach cafe that you can actually come to. It's called Papayas. So once it's open, you can maybe come this side, and they have a lovely sit out, and they also do have accommodations. So as you can see, everything is being made right from the bamboos. So there's someone here, and we cross over. So there's nothing really much happening on the beach at this point in time at Patnem. However, I've made a video showing you the current situation of Palolem as well. I'll link that here. I'll also put it in the description. You can maybe check that out. Okay, so for now, I'll just go to this cafe that is open. It's called Om Shanti, which is on your left as soon as you enter to the main beach. And I'll just chill there for some time. It's super duper hot. I think I need something cool to refresh myself. Okay, so I've got myself a nice chilled watermelon juice. So for all those of you who keep asking me questions such as, do we have foreigners on the beach? Well, at this point in time, there are no foreigners. I couldn't really spot much foreigners here. I think I just spotted one lady, but there are no much of foreigners. Comparatively, Palolem has quite a lot, comparatively, but of course, it's not like the way it used to be before. So I think, you know, for foreigners and for foreign tourists, you'll have to wait maybe another 2 months or so. Hopefully from the month of December onwards, we should have and see more and more foreign tourists from outside. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Also comment with your questions and share it with your friends and family. And till we meet again the next time. Bye for now.